Hello, welcome to Raghu Sainik School. Jai Hind everyone. Word of the day, imposter. Telugu meaning mosagadu, vanchakudu. English meaning the word imposter is a noun that describes a person who pretends to be someone else to deceive others. ఇతరులను మోసం చేయడానికి చేసే పర్సన్ని ఇంపోస్టర్ అంటారు. Synonyms: fraud, deceiver. Antonyms: genuine person, honest individual. Usage: 1. The police arrested an imposter who had been pretending to be a doctor without any qualifications. 2. She felt like an imposter in her new job even though she was highly skilled and experienced. Today's word is imposter, which means mosagadu, vanchakadu, మరొకరిలాగా నటించేవాడు. Okay. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to Raghu Sainik School YouTube channel. Learn a word every day to build vocabulary fort. Jai Hind.